Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I hope you all will be fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. As you know, it's me Ayat Imran from class 6th Green School with Kids Anantnag, and today I am going to deliver a presentation on the topic Earth and the solar system. I hope you all will watch it till end and listen it carefully. So, let us start. First of all, the solar system. First of all, let me give you introduction to the solar system. The Earth and 7 other planets move around the Sun. Apart from planets, celestial bodies like dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, and meteoroids move around the Sun. Some planets and other celestial bodies have moons or satellites moving around them. Moons also go around the Sun. The Sun, the 8 planets, the moons, and the other celestial bodies that move around the Sun make up the solar system. We can think of the solar system as Sun's family. Now talking about how solar system looks like, this is how the solar system looks like. The solar system has 8 planets. The first planet from Sun is Mercury, which is 58 million kilometers away from the Sun. Second planet is Venus, which is 108 million kilometers away from the Sun. Third planet is Earth, which is 150 million kilometers away from the Sun. Fourth planet is Mars, which is 228 million kilometers away from the Sun. Fifth planet is Jupiter, which is 778 million kilometers away from the Sun. Sixth one is Saturn, which is 1427 million kilometers away from the Sun. Seventh one is Uranus, which is 2871 million kilometers away from the Sun. Eighth one is Neptune, which is 4498 million kilometers away from the Sun. Apart from these, the solar system consists of asteroids, comets, meteoroids, dwarf planets, moons, satellites, and much more. So now let us talk about stars and planets. First of all, talking about stars, most heavenly bodies appear to be twinkling. They seem to change their light from bright to faint all the time. Such twinkling heavenly bodies are called stars. Stars have their own heat and light. This means that all stars are self-illuminated. Let me give you an example. The sun that shines bright all day is a star. Now let's move forward and talk about planets. So first of all, introduction about planets. The word planet comes from Greek word which means wanderer. This is a fitting description of planets because they are constantly in motion. The planets have two types of motion, revolution and rotation. So let us discuss about them. First of all, let's discuss about revolution. Planets revolve around the sun in their fixed paths called orbits. This movement of planets is called a revolution. Their period of revolution around the sun is fixed. Now let's talk about rotation. While orbiting the sun, planets also rotate on their axis. This movement of planets is called a rotation. Talking about the shape of the planets, planets are generally spherical. Now, starting from the Sun, the 8 planets are in this order: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Beyond Neptune, there are a few small heavenly bodies that revolve around the Sun. They are called dwarf planets, for example, Pluto, Eris, etc. Now, let's talk about the Sun. The Sun is the head of the solar system. It is a bright star made of extremely hot gases. It provides heat and light to all the members of the solar system. The Sun plays a unique role in supporting life on the earth. There are some facts about the Sun. So let us discuss them. First of all, the diameter of Sun is more than 100 times than the Earth's diameter, and it weighs 300,000 times more than the Earth weighs. The Sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. Light from the Sun takes about 8 minutes to reach us. The Sun is made up of highly compressed hot gases. Now let us discuss about Earth, a unique planet. So, Earth is the fifth largest planet. It is a sphere which is slightly flattened at the poles. From a spacecraft, the land on Earth looks like a mixture of green and brown. This is how the Earth looks like from a spacecraft. Did you know Earth is called a blue planet? There might be a question why the Earth is called the blue planet. Because the oceans, which cover more area than the land, look blue. The Earth is therefore called the blue planet. Now, there are some facts about the Earth. Let's discuss them. Earth is the only planet where life exists. There might be a question why the Earth is the only planet where life exists. This is because the conditions required to support life are found only on Earth. Let's see what these conditions are and discuss them. First of all, its moderate temperature. The amount of heat a planet receives from the sun depends on its distance from the sun. Some planets are far from the sun and therefore cold. For example, Neptune, where the average temperature is about minus 225 degrees Celsius. Some planets are close to the sun and therefore hot. For example, Mercury and Venus, which are closest to the sun, and the average temperature there is 400 degrees Celsius. But the Earth is neither too far nor too close to the sun. Therefore, temperature on Earth is moderate. It has an average temperature of 22 degrees Celsius, which is suitable for plants and animals. Now, let's discuss second one, which is water in liquid form. We all know that plants and animals need water for their survival, and the Earth is the only planet on which liquid water is found. On some other planets, water is found only in frozen forms. Now, let's discuss about favorable atmosphere. First of all, we should know what the atmosphere is. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of gases. This layer of gases is called its atmosphere. Plants and animals need gases like carbon dioxide, oxygen, argon, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, which all are present in Earth's atmosphere. Apart from these gases, helium, methane, water vapor, krypton, hydrogen, ozone are also found in Earth's atmosphere, and ozone protects plants and animals from certain harmful rays of the sun. The combination of the factors mentioned above makes life possible on Earth. Now, let's discuss some important facts. First of all, diameter of the Earth is 12,756 km. It takes 365.24 days for one revolution. It takes 23 hours 56 minutes for one rotation. It has one moon and it has no rings. Thanks for listening to my presentation. I hope you all will like it. So, Allah Hafiz.